Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you a simple way to watch the Graham Norton Show even if you're outside the UK. It doesn't matter where you are, you'll be able to watch all episodes in high definition. We'll be using BBC iPlayer. You'll find the link in the description. First, you'll need to create a free BBC account. I've already created one, so I'll just log in. If I try to play an episode, I get blocked. That's because BBC iPlayer detects that my IP address is outside the UK, but there is a simple way around this. The solution is to use a VPN, in this case, ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app for your computer or phone that lets you change your IP address. You just select the UK, and it makes it look like you're browsing from there. I select the UK, it connects in a few seconds, and now I'm virtually browsing from the UK. My real IP address has been replaced by a UK one. I refresh the page, and now I have full access. I click play. I have a TV license. And as you can see, the stream plays smoothly. If you want to try ExpressVPN, visit vpnfolio.com/express or click on the link I put in the description. ExpressVPN is fast, secure, and works on Windows, Mac, iPhone, and Android. They have thousands of servers worldwide and a strict no-logs policy. The same steps apply on iPhone and Android. ExpressVPN has servers in many countries, including the UK. These are all countries from which you can make it look like you're in. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it costs less than £2 per month. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. I don't recommend free VPNs for BBC iPlayer. They are usually too slow and often don't work. That's why I suggest using ExpressVPN's 30-day trial instead. If ExpressVPN isn't right for you, NordVPN is another solid option for BBC iPlayer. NordVPN is fast, secure, and works on all major devices. To give it a try, visit vpnfolio.com/nord or click the link I put in the description. NordVPN is also very affordable, only £2.49 per month. They also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's it for today. You now know how to watch the Graham Norton Show on BBC iPlayer from anywhere. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll reply. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.